The weather was raining, so we could not go to school. Please make it like that, and then you after correcting it, you send it again. Okay. Mm. Vanilla ice cream, very nice. And I don't like coffee, but I like tea. Okay. We can go to the movies or stay home. Very nice, but sentence are really very easy sentence also you have to chosen. But movie hall or cinema hall like that, and like that you have to write. You should write cinema hall or movie hall like that you can write, or we can watch go to watch movies like that you have to write. Hmm. Or we can go to watch movies or stay home and watch TV. Like that you can write. Brilliant, brilliant girl you are. Be dedicated, Tia. You can catch the fluency as soon as possible. Please, please, I request you to uh, be the regular, and you can get the secret of fluency. I am really happy with the way you are getting to know everything and understanding and discussing. Very nice. Now, now I want welcome, dear. Now I want Bhavna to share your answer in the group, and please read it once. It once. The definition of conjunction you have understood as per your answer sheet is there in front of my spectacles. And one thing is that number three, I have two goldfishes. It's not a goldfish, it's two, no? I have two goldfishes and a cat, like that. Okay? Yeah. But in two sentences, you have used only one conjunction, that is but. So I think you have used four conjunctions, right? So in the time of writing, please notice that what the question is asking and what you need to make. Okay? From the next onwards, whenever question is to given to you, just remind that what's the question, five or three or two, any question, just cut the answer according to the question. Okay. Okay, but the way you have written your answer, that means you have got a very good idea about conjunctions. So I am really very happy with the answer sheets of all of you, Bhavna, Shikha, Tia. It's really very great time to be with you. Yeah, did you understand what is the extempore speech? Extempore speech means many words are there, and in many words you have to pick up any word and you have to say something about that word, and that is called extempore speech. And in extempore speech many words are there, you have to go on talking about many of the words like that, isn't it? So here I have given you only four words, and about four words, only two words I have written something about that, and I will be reading that one. But that will be your not your homework. I will tell you what to do. Just I am reading this extempore speech about book and market I have written. So how to write, when to start, what is the theme, what is the process you have to write, that one you just follow, then you can get the idea of writing, and then only you can get the idea of speaking too. So about books, what I have written and how to read, that is also important. How to read after writing, how you will read the topic you write, that is also most important. So in your reading someone can understand the topic you have written. So let me uh, read once, then you can understand. Books. About book I have written. Books are always there for all of us, whether entertainment or gathering informations we need. An appealing proverb enriches everyone, and that is, what you read, you become. So, if you have books in your shelf, then you about to be a pro on what is happening all around. In reverse, if you belong to the books on great people, you can enhance the creative mindset within yourself. So, what books you carry with you is actually the personality you are. Let's care of it. So I have written here about books. So books are very enriching, and I have made here. I didn't say we. I didn't say I. I have changed this word you, because if I don't say you, then it is not clarity. It's not being the clarity that what do I mean to say. That is the thing. So about books, I have written this much. That is the thing. And did you understand what does it mean? I have written about books. Did you understand? Everybody? Shikha? Shikha, did you understand? Yes. Okay. So then again, I have written about market. Market is an awesome area we love to get along with every day. We come to know the various opinions coming to diversify their profound sales skills with products cost. Within time, with no time, it should be no, with no time, we meet our dear ones, have fun, get accelerated, and so on. We don't miss a day to be there, do you? That means market is a area where everybody loves to go and loves to be. So we don't miss any day to go to there. So I am asking to you, there is a question, do you miss, do you feel the same? That is the question. That is the question. This is the question. So about market and about English, I didn't write that much. That's why I will not read it. But about books and market, I have written something, and that is the procedure you should follow. What do you mean? If you can write, you can express. अगर आप लिख सकते हो तो आप बोल भी सकते हो. So we shall be trying to learn English by writing first. लिखने लिखते लिखते हम बोलना सीखेंगे, और इतना बोलना सीखेंगे कि लिखने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. हम बोलते ही रहेंगे, बोलना सीख चुके होंगे. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज ए बिगिनर वी शुड बी we should take the help of writing. Okay. Okay, so that is the extempore speech. Tomorrow we shall be talking on extempore speech, these four chapters, four parts: books, then English, then market, and another thing is that colleague. The four chapters you just remind in your copy, and something you write about 3 to 4 lines, 4 to 5 lines, if you have time. No need that if you are not getting time and you have got to write, you have set to write. That's not the way. If you are getting time, then please write about all these things, and just try to stand in the group so that I can read them before the session. If in the session you write, no problem. There is no hard and fast and rule. And I'm not telling vigorously that you have to write. But if you are getting time, you don't have any work to do, and now you have time, then you can write, and please send me before the session. And if you are writing in the session, no problem. But if you don't have time, no need. You will write in the session only, no need. But that is to be awareness. For your awareness, I am telling, just try to think about all these things. Then tomorrow we shall be playing with this extempore speech. We shall be playing. This is a game. Extempore speech is a game. It is not a topic to learn. Okay. 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 So that's all for today, I think. Are you are you okay with that, or you wanna make extempore speech today only? What's your choice? Tell me, please.